Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage, and today I'd like to show you around a vehicle that's just arrived with us in stock, and this is a stunning 2021 SEAT Ibiza FR finished in Desire Red Metallic. Now the first thing that you'll notice are these beautiful gloss black alloy wheels, and they match in very nicely with the dark black and red interior of this car. Now the FR is our sporty version of the Ibiza, so you've got these lovely sport seats, nice amount of shape on the base and on the side bolsters as well. This car also benefits from having a leather steering wheel and the leather handbrake. Plenty of room in the car. This passenger seat is pushed back as far as it will go, so you've still got room just about to get in, but there is space for 5. You also have ISOFIX fitments in there as well, and here we are, trying to be a bit of an arty shot there, showing you the view over the corner. Now the Ibizas benefit from having quite a nice sized boot. It's lovely with a 60-40 split folding rear seat as well, and underneath the boot mat there is space to put an optional spare wheel. Now this car has just been into our workshops where we've recently fitted 4 brand new tyres. So all 4 of the wheels are, all 4 of the tyres, are brand new for you. Now as you move along up to the cockpit, you've got the squared off steering wheel, which is synonymous with the Ibiza FRs, and in there you notice this nice big media system that all the cars have now, and this being a facelifted model, this benefits from having a projected one, so it sticks up a little bit further and is a little bit larger than its predecessor. Now it's touchscreen with various different views, so you allow you to go through the DAB radio system, you can stream your music to it, as well as a nice clear navigation display and Bluetooth hands-free. Now you can change the view depending on what you prefer, and you have a whole host of driving aids and running through in here. This one benefits from lane assist as well as the pre-collision sensor as well. Now moving over to the wheel, you've got cruise control or a speed limiter depending on what your preference is, and this car has only covered 19,200 miles, so in just over 3 years, it has only done 19,000 miles. So it's very low mileage, and I think in this colour, certainly with this wheel combination, it looks stunning. It really does. Now I'm trying to get out of the sun because the sun's actually out today, so it's beautiful, but it plays havoc with the camera and the shine. You can see you've got full LED headlights, which are amazing, and there we go. That shows the light off very well. So if you're looking for a SEAT Ibiza, an FR model in particular, then this one could be for you.